Today we are going to see how to create contract for multiple branches. When customer want product or service for multiple branch, then we create contract for multiple branches. So let's start. Firstly, go on service and again on service, in that go on contract. Now search the customer name and select. Next, add branch, salesperson, approver name, and contract details. Next, add product. Now to add customers' other branches, scroll the products details bar and in that you'll see the branch option. Click on that and you'll see various branch of customer which you have created. Now select the customer's branches for which you want to create contract. Now go on schedule option and you'll see the total schedule services for each branches. Next, go on menu bar and submit the contract. Here we have created contract for multiple branches. Next, go on menu and select view services. On that you'll see the total services for each branch. This is how we have learned to create contract for multiple branch. That's all for today. See you in next video. Thank you.